Everybody, so today is my birthday, and so today I will show you that how which food I am eating and how I will cut a cake. This year I have made and brought a new variety of cake. I will show you that how this cake looks. This new version, this cake is a new type, this cricket stadium type cake. Okay, so I will show that, and I will also show what food I have ate for my lunch and dinner, what tasty foods. And so this is my 14th birthday. Hope you will enjoy my video, so give it a like on this video. Okay, so enjoy my video, so let's get forward. Here is paneer and cauliflower. Here it is mutton. You can see this. This is papda fish in gravy. This is fried rice. This is aloo bhaja. This is this is brinjal fry. This is bottle gourd. This is casseroles, that bitter root gourd fry, and this is a shark. This is paesh, means white cards, and this is cucumber salad. This is water, and this is than and all dubbos. Now I will start eating. I will not show them. My cake, stadium cake. Here are some writings written: special order, shop sales, delivery time, and all the things, date, all is written here, how much weight it is. Okay, so now I will open it from this one side. It is 6th October, it is written the date. And now I will, here is my cake. See this. Okay, so now I will open it. It is buttered cream butterscotch flavor. Wait, I have taken it out. Here is my name is labeled, and here are all the wickets. As I told you, it is the cricket stadium. Here you can see, here is happy birthday written. It is the whole buttered cream butterscotch cake. Here are 3 wickets made by toothpicks. Here are also followed by them. Here is a clay bat. Here is a small picky ball. Here is also a bat. You can see this. And here are some green sprinkles that are used for this green grass. You can see this total texture of this cake. You can see this. This cake is hereditary. I have bought it from Neo Amore Monginis. It is written here. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, so for this I have some players. Here is a player made from sugar cane and with white sugar. This is a bat. I have made this bat with toothpicks, and I have then pierced it with glue. I have then put it together with PVA glue. You can see this bat. Now I will put here it in the middle. Okay, so here is my batsman, and here is my another batsman. He will stand at the offside. So I have pierced my offside batsman and onside batsman. You can see this. See this. Okay, so I have here more 4 players. You can see here is one white. I will keep it as wicket keeper. Here is my wicket keeper. Here is another. Total 5 models are here. I will keep it on the mid off side. And my last, here is another player. You can see this. These are basically placed here at the end with toothpicks. Okay, so I will place it at the slip off. Okay, so the total texture, you can see this from detailing to detailing. Here is the name, and this is basically the clay model. He is standing on the wicket, but nothing matters. Okay, so you can see this. This is the wicket keeper, this is the tip of land, and here it stands at the middle. Okay, so next I have here candles. I have made these candles with using 3 other candles. These are really cool. This is 4. As I have first 14, so I have I have made this fourth candle, number 4 candle. So I will place it here on the pick, and this is one, obviously one candle. Okay, so I have now placed it. I will give you a look. You can see this. This is the wicket keeper. This is the backside of all the players. Backside of the cake. This cake is like from the bottom. Nothing is there at the bottom. You can see this. So much detailing is done in this cake. And my candles are 14. Happy birthday, Design. And this is the main position of this cake. Actually, this is the back, and this is the main. Actually, look this side. He's looking this side. See, they are waving at you. This is the candle 14. It's really cool. You can see this. This cake is really great. And here are two modeling clay bats also. Okay, so now I will wait. I will show you how and how I will celebrate and cut my cake. I can't give you cake this year because of this pandemic situation, but you can see and eat through via online mode. Okay, so now I will go on cutting position. So from this side also, all my 5 players are here. You can see them from all degrees, from the top view, from the side angle view, from this view, and from this view, and from this view also. I thought of buying this football ones, but later I thought that this cricket ones would be very cool from this position. Okay, so wait till I cut my cake and show you. So here are my matches of candles. Here are my candles. You can see it. I will cut my cake very beautiful, legendary. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay. So I have cut this cake. This cake is for you people to support me and YouTube legendary experiment, and for your support. All of you have subscribed my channel and seen my channel is of 100 subscribers. This is dedication. Okay, so this for you. I can't do more beyond this. This is this is the cake you have to eat in your life. I am just joking. Okay, so I will okay. So like this video, like any hunger, happy. This is butterscotch cake. Butterscotch. This is for today. I will come every day with a new video. So till then, take care. Bye.